so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Woo! Look at the cherries. They look so yummy. I love cherries, and cherries grow in clusters like these. Let's pull off a cluster and count how many cherries are in the cluster. Whoa! Okay, 1 cherry, 2 cherries, and 3 cherries. Okay, first thing you need to do is pull the cherries off of the tree. And then you put it in the bucket right here. And when the bucket is really full, like this, then we go to the bin and pour out the cherries. Whoa, there we go. Look at all those cherries. Look at all of these cherries! Now that the bins are full of cherries to the tippy top, now it's time for the tractor to load up the bins. Yum! These cherries look so tasty. And these cherries are the color red. Giant door! Whoa! Gotta lock up the back of the truck. All right, now the truck is full of cherries. Now it's time for the truck to take it to the packing facility. bins are full and in the factory, it's time to dump them in the water so they can get sorted and packed. Watch! All of these cherries. They look so tasty. Yum! So now it's time for the cherries to go up this conveyor belt and go get sorted in the factory. So what I'm doing now is, oh, here's one. I'm pulling the stems, throwing them away, and then I'm also looking, I'm looking for leaves and throwing them away. Whoa, here's one. Yes, another leaf. Good job. I'm getting so, oh, yeah. Okay, so now we make sure these cherries are nice and clean, so then they can go down the conveyor belt, so then they'll be nice and ready for you to eat. In this factory, we're sorting into 3 sizes of cherries. The first size is a small cherry. Ooh. The next size is a medium cherry. Ooh. And the last size is a big cherry. Ooh. I'm filling up this clamshell container all the way full with cherries. Perfect. And there's a scale right here so I can weigh it. And now that it's the perfect weight, I seal it all up. Now this goes to the store. Cherries! Whoa, look! The cherries are all packed up. Now they're being loaded into the back of a semi-truck to head to the grocery store.
seltzer sour too. If it's not too cold and not too hot, I can grow all over this world we're on. I just start out as a tiny seed, put me in the ground till I'm blossoming. In 3 to 4 years I'll become a tree, and in the summertime you get a taste of me. Cherry, cherry, cherry song. Everybody now, cherry, cherry, cherry song. Sing along. A hot fudge sundae, I'm on top. I'm the best flavor of a lollipop. I'm a warm and gooey and tasty treat when I'm baked in pies for you to eat. I go so well in so many things, from syrup to juice to the smoothie you drink. And I bet you like Coke even better with me. Cherry, cherry, cherry song. Everybody now, cherry, cherry, cherry song. Sing along. Yo man, cherry out. I gots to go ripen.